Now, now we calculate the second method, that is the yield basis method. For yield basis method, we have to calculate average profit. Okay, in next method, that is yield basis method, we have to calculate three steps. First, calculate average profit, that is the sum of all years profit divided by number of years. In our question, 51,600, 51,650 and 52,000 profit is given. So calculate it. 51,600 plus 51,650 plus 52,000 divided by number of years, that's 3 years. Total 1,55,250 divided by 3 years. So your average profit is equal to 51,750 is 51,750 is your average profit. Then calculate maintainable profit. Maintainable profit formula for the maintainable profit: average profit minus transfer to reserve. So in question they explain 20% transfer to reserve. 20% was transferred to reserve out of the profit. So average profit we calculate with the step number A, that is 51,700. 51,750 less 20% of average profit, that is 1,750. So the answer is 51,750 minus 10,350. 51,750 minus 10,350. So the maintainable profit is equal to rupees 41,400. Now calculate capitalized value of profit with the help of formula maintainable profit. Step number 3, capitalized value of profit, maintainable profit divided by NRR. So in your question, normal rate of return, that is the fair investment return, may be taken at 10%, means that is your NRR. So the NRR into or multiple by 100. So by putting amounts, maintainable profit, that is 41,400 divides 10 multiples or into 100. So the capitalized value of profit will be 4 lakh. So the capitalized value of profit will be 4,14,000. Capitalized value of profit rupees 4,40,000, and last step for the yield basis, that is calculate value of each equity share equals to, as per yield basis, value of each equity share as per yield basis. Formula for that, capitalized value capitalized value of profit divides by number of equity shares. So by putting amount in this formula, 4,14,000 divides by, let's check what are the number of equity shares in your question, that is 40,000 number of equity shares divides by 40,000. So answer will be, so the value of each equity share according to yield basis. First calculate average profit, then calculate maintainable profit, average profit minus transfer to reserve if any. Then calculate point number C, capitalize value of profit with the help of maintainable profit divided by NRR multiple by 100. Then value of each equity share according to yield basis. So capitalized value of profit divided by number of equity share is the formula, 4,14,000 divided by 40,000 shares. So capital value of each share is equal to rupees 10.35 per share. So this is the answer for method number 2, yield basis. Now we discuss the method number 3, fair value method. Fair value method. In fair value method, intrinsic value that is your first method plus yield basis divide by 2. So you can say fair value method is an average of intrinsic value and yield basis method. So the amount from or the valuation of share according to first method, that is the net asset method or fair value method, is 14.25 per share. 14.25 per share. So rupees 14.25 plus rupees 10.35 divides by 2. Fair value method, intrinsic value plus yield basis divided by 2, rupees 14.25 plus rupees 10.35 divided by 2, 24.6 divided by 2. So the fair value of each equity share, rupees 12.30 or 3 per share according to fair value method. So here we complete our first complete numerical problem based on your valuation of share including all methods, that is called fair value method. If the question asks you about the calculation of fair value method, so you have to calculate first net asset method. So what is net asset method? First read question, then identify all the headings percentage related with your question. So this is the question we discussed for the 3 methods or fair value method. When question discuss you or ask you calculate fair value method, it is important to calculate all the methods related with your valuation of shares. So some headings and some points are mentioned in this heading. Some asset liabilities are there. Then we discuss with the calculation of first method, that is net asset method. In net asset method, there are steps, 3 steps. First, calculate net asset. Second, funds available to shareholder. Then calculate the value of equity share as per the intrinsic value or the net asset method. Then calculate the second point, yield basis method. In yield basis method, we use profit or income basis method. Average profit is step number 1, calculate average profit. That is the average profit, sum of all is profit divided by number of years. By this way, we get average profit 51,750. Then calculate maintainable profit with the formula average profit minus transfer to reserve. And maintainable profit for this question is rupees 41,400. Then capitalized value of profit, maintainable profit divides by NRR into 100. This is the formula for capitalization of profit. Then amount for capitalized value of profit is rupees 4,14,000. And last point for the second method, that is valuation of each equity share as per yield basis method with the formula capitalized value of profit divided by number of equity share. 4,14,000 divided by 40,000 answer for yield basis method, or as per yield basis method rupees 10.35 per share. Then calculate fair value method. In fair value method, we are using intrinsic value amount or valuation plus yield basis divides by 2. So you can say it is an average of first two methods. 14.25 per share value according to net asset or the intrinsic value method plus yield basis method 10.35 divided by 2. So 24.6 divided by 2. So the fair value for the fair value of each equity share rupees 12.30 per share. Thank you.